This is Honors Algebra 2 Pre-Calculus. We're doing section 10.2 in Pre-Calc, which is conics, but specifically parabolae. So in example 2, a parabola has vertex 1, 3 and focus at 1, 0. Write its equation in standard form. So the first thing you're going to want to do, right, so we know some things, okay? We know that the vertex h, k is a 1, 3 in this problem. So I know h is 1 and k is 3. Great. The next thing I'm going to want to do, so that's the first piece, right, is I need to figure out whether this is an x squared parabola or a y squared parabola. So the easiest way to do that is to plot the 2 points, okay? So this is a really crappy version of the graph. I'm not doing anything fancy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, cool. So I know that the vertex is at 1, 3. That's my vertex. And my focus is at 1, 0. Remember, the graph bends away from the directrix towards the focus. So what that means is that the directrix is somewhere up here, and the graph is bending this way, right? It bends around the focus, right? Bends from the vertex around the focus. So a couple pieces of information here. Number one, it's x squared. Right? This is an x squared, not a y squared, because it opens up or down, right? The ones that open up and down are x squared. The second piece of information is because it's opening down, p is a negative, okay? The third piece of information, I lied, I can get 3 pieces of information, is I can tell you what number p is. Because p is the distance from here to here, which is 3 units, but in this specific situation, it's a -3 because this graph is opening down. So what I know is I need to use the formula that has an x squared. So I want to use x minus h, quantity squared, equals 4p y minus k, right? So now I just need to plug in my numbers. So I'm going to get x minus 1, quantity squared, equals 4 times p is going to be a -12, right? Because that's 4 times -3 times y minus 3. And there is my equation in standard form.